Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Tyler at Auto World in Manchester, New Hampshire, this is his personal car. We have the 2013 Porsche Boxster. This is the base with the 2.7 liter, made it to the 6-speed manual. I almost said automatic. And this thing is awesome. I absolutely love it. I'm currently searching for a Porsche to own, and driving this one around is doing no favors of me convincing myself that I don't need a Porsche. As you can see, 6-speed manual, mid-engine. The argument has always stood that the Boxster and Cayman are a better driving platform than the 911. And I think they might be onto something. The AC currently doesn't work in this car, so if I start dying sweating, you know why? It's 92 degrees and like 80% humidity. It feels like Florida here. That's new. I knew that was loose. Okay. So be gentle with that. Got it. Now keep in mind, this car has 106,000 miles on it. Now, everything in my gut says 106,000 mile Porsche, run away from it. This thing's in awesome shape. This thing looks better than a lot of lower mileage ones I've seen. No sport chrono, no PSE. Does have premium package because I believe that gave you the heated seats, although it might have been optional on top of premium pack. Listen to how linear this is. So linear. And then the thing is, start driving it, no rev match, I'm doing that myself. That is good. That is really, really good. Oh no. No, 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 no. Like, this is gonna do a whole lot. It was blowing in from that way, so I didn't want that. Now, on paper, this car seems extremely underpowered. Yeah, no, it's not a straight line weapon. But what it is such a pure driver's machine. AC, are you trying? Oh, you're trying to blow cold air. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna stop that because it's really starting to get loud. This thing is such... Oh, I love this car. I'm about to go take out hopefully Adam's 97.2 and kind of compare the two of them. But this thing, yeah, it's good. It's really good. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.